हेलो सुप्रभात समस्तंकु आज आमे ओडिशा रो लास्ट क्लास आमे काना पढ़ितला पिले लास्ट क्लास आमे पढ़ितला कोस्ट लाइन ऑफ ओडिशा और आमे आज आके टिके पढ़मा मेनली द वाइल्ड लाइफ ऑफ आवर स्टेट ओडिशा वन्य जंतु प्राणी राइट when we discuss about the wildlife or the biodiversity or its conservations may be broadly classified into two categories. One is the in situ conservations, another one is the ex situ conservations. In situ conservations, which means that okay, so in the case of in situ conservations, that conservations can be classified into two types, in situ and ex situ. Okay. In the case of in situ, which means that जार माने कि जेन ठाने जेन भी फ्लोरा एंड फना रहुचन ताकू सेने ही प्रोटेक्ट करा जेबा and it can be broadly classified into the national park, wildlife sanctuary, biosphere reserves. Okay, but in the case of ex situ, which means that which mainly conserve artificially, which means that let zoological park, botanical garden, etc. And we will try to know about the wildlife of our state, how many national parks are there, wildlife sanctuaries are there, biosphere reserves are there, zoological parks are there, botanical gardens are there. Okay guys, Odisha is located where? It is located in the eastern part of Odisha, where the Eastern Ghat is there. And Odisha, it provides a rich habitat to the both flora and fauna. To the both flora and fauna. And last class I told clearly, let me tell you from that there are, last class which physiographic divisions we have discussed? We have discussed regarding which one? Coastline of Odisha. This one, and in the coastline of Odisha, it extends around 480 kilometers. And last class, one thing I told that its width is around 10 to 18 kilometers, but actually the width is around 10 to 100 kilometers. And it is the narrow at the northern coastal plain and the widest at the middle coastal plain and the narrowest at the southern coastal plain. Or in other words, and another thing also I told that Odisha, it is the coastal plain, or it is also known as the gift of 6 rivers or the land of 6 delta. Why so? Because there are large number of rivers are there, but the 6 major rivers are which one? The coastline of Odisha, it extends from Subarnarekha to Rusikulya. And Subarnarekha, Budhabalanga, Baitarani, Brahmani, Mahanadi, and Rusikulya. How to remember? Subarnarekha is for Sanjay and Subarnarekha. Next 3B are there. Budhabalanga, Brahmani, and Baitarani. Another one is the Mahanadi, and the next one is the Rusikulya. Here the number of things need to be known, guys. One of the things हमको जानवर अच्छे. कहाँ the coastal plain it is characterized as the mangrove regions. It is characterized as the delta. It forms sand dunes. It forms estuaries. Okay. And here, how many districts were there? 7 Baleshwar, Bhadrak, Kendrapada, Jagatsinghpur, Puri, Khordha, Ganjam. Okay, right. Our coastline, a very important thing is that here number of ports are also there. There are only one port. Actually, how many national ports are there? How many national major, not national, how many major ports are there in our country? There are 13 major ports are there. How many? 13. And in Odisha is one of them. In Odisha, only one is major port named as which one? Paradip, located at Jagatsinghpur. Okay. And Odisha also formulated one of the port policy in the year 2004, and on that Odisha it tried to develop certain other non-major ports or minor ports. And two are the very important of them. One is the Dhamra at Bhadrak and the Gopalpur at Ganjam. That also helped a lot. Okay, guys. So what we understood, the coastline we understood, 480 kilometer, the ranges from 10 to 100 kilometer. Then we understood that Odisha's coastal plain is characterized with a mangrove. Odisha's coastal plain is characterized with sand dunes, and it forms estuaries, delta, etc. Okay, and then we discuss about the ports of Odisha, and only one major port. What is that? That is Kenda, Paradip. Okay, and Paradip declared it designated as a major port. It designated as the 8th major ports in India, and it is the first major port in the eastern coast of India. Right, guys? And the two other non-major port named as Dhamra at Bhadrak and Gopalpur at Ganjam. Clear, guys? Another things. Odisha's coastal plain also provides a huge habitat to the both flora and fauna. And in the year 2017, in Asian Athletic Champions, right? One of the what was the mascot? Do you have any ideas? Kana mascot thila? Olive sea really turtle na? And why so? Why this government of Odisha have choose the olive sea lily turtle as an mascot of Odisha? The reason behind is that okay, the reason behind is that because first of all, let me tell you one thing. Olive sea lily turtle, it is one of the endangered species. And IUCN, who? IUCN, International Union for Conservation and Nature, it declare olive sea lily turtle as an which species? Because it categorized in the various thing, na? It declare it as a vulnerable species. So if there will be the questions, olive sea lily turtle is considered in which part, or it is declared as an which endangered species, then the answer will be the vulnerable. Kana? Vulnerable. Yes, it is vulnerable, guys. Clear? And olive sea lily turtle involved one of the country named as Mexico, Costa Rica.
It's 8:40 a.m. Daily Hunt. Indian Army rebuilds damaged bridge en route Amarnath Yatra in record time. Video surfaces.
Very good morning. Anjali, Niturani, Rasmita, everyone. Very good morning, guys. Jen, jaha doubt hava, just put it in comment box. Huh? Okay. आमे कहना थिला we were in the olive sea lily turtle. ଆଉ इटा के काना कहा जाउतला vulnerable species कहा जाउतला कि IUCN demarcate करचे कि which one olive sea lily turtle is in vulnerable species, and this is very important to conserve that. And in the world After in world Odisha's coastal plain, it provides largest nesting ground for the olive sea ridley turtles in the entire world. Which one? Odisha's coastal plain. Fine. Okay. And after Odisha's coastal plain, there are Mexico, Costa Rica, etc. Right? And here one thing, in Odisha's coastal plain, it is the Gahirmatha sea beach. Okay, Gahirmatha sea beach, and another one is the Rusikulya river and the river Devi. It provides a huge nesting ground for the olive sea ridley turtle. Okay, and here where the Gahirmatha is located, it is located at Kendrapada. And one thing need to be known, we will read in details about Bhitarkanika. Gahirmatha sea beach, it forms a boundary or it separates a boundary between the Bay of Bengal and the Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary at Kendrapada. Okay. So Gahirmatha sea beach, it provides the best nesting ground for the olive sea ridley turtles in the entire world. And in fact, more than 3 lakh, of olive sea ridley turtles, they flocked over the Gahirmatha sea beach. And Gahirmatha sea beach is located where? In which district? Kendrapada. Okay. And after that, Rusikulya and the Devi, the river Devi. It provides, these are the 3 places of Odisha which provides habitat to the olive sea ridley turtles. Okay, guys. And in fact, here the local peoples, they also provides support to all these things. It means that they restrict the other peoples during this time. Okay, fine. Next, what I told here, Bhitarkanika. Now, Bhitarkanika, it is located at Kendrapada. And Bhitarkanika is why it is known for. It is known for number of purposes. First of all, it is known for number of purposes. What is that? Bhitarkanika, it is known for number of purposes. The first one, it forms the second largest mangrove forest in the country after Sundarban. After Sundarban, right? It forms the second largest mangrove forest. Mangrove forest in the country after Sundarban. Okay. I will tell about the mangroves in detail. Next. It is the place where the largest congregations of crocodile are found at the Bhitarkanika. In the year 1975, it declared as a wildlife sanctuary. In the year 1975, the government of Odisha have declared it as an wildlife sanctuary. Further, the government of India recognized in the year 1989 as a national park. Okay. It is around more than 2000 square kilometer, and out of them around 450 square kilometer have been declared as a national park. Bhitarkanika, another thing is there, it is not only the largest mangrove forest, but also it is the largest floral diversity of wetland in the entire world. It is the largest floral diversity of wetland in the entire world, largest floral diversity of wetland in the entire world. Okay. In fact, as I told wetland now, wetland means what? What do you mean by wetland? Wetland कहले काना बुझसा? Wetland गुटे ना एंता जिनिस है जेंटा win-win situation समस्त अंगल खरा रे, वर्षा रे, अलगा टाइम रे, सबु टाइम रे. Like during rainy seasons, it will provide what? To conserve the water. Pani rakhi pakava. Or it means that which will prevent floods. During summer seasons, it will supply the water for irrigations for all the purposes. So rainy seasons se bhi janla, summer season se bhi janla, alga seasons it will provide a huge scope or potentials for the tourism. So in this way, it's a win-win situations for all the peoples. Apart from that, it also provides habitat to the both flora and fauna. In fact, large number of peoples, they maintain their livelihood because of wetland. And in the year in Iran, one of the countries there, Iran, where one of the place named as Ramsar, janta India रे हमें बहुत सारा place होचे मुंबई, दिल्ली, etc. जंता 1972 रे सिमला रे उडे agreement हला इंडिया पाकिस्तान ताके सिमला agreement को हागला. हेंता से place रो ना रे ना हेंता रामसर गुटे जागा जेंटा कि ईरान रे होचे यार से रामसर रे पहला करे world or different countries they come together and they meet and they recognize the importance of wetland and they decided that they will cooperate one another and they will conserve the wetland because wetland is very important for everyone, right? So in this way there are large number of sites are there in entire world which have been declared as an Ramsar site. And in Odisha, in fact, in India, the first Ramsar site it is Chilika, which was declared. In fact, Bhitarkanika is also an Ramsar site, which was declared in the year 2002. Which one? Ramsar site. Okay. In fact, the mini Amazon of India is also known as Bhitarkanika. Which one? Bhitarkanika is also called as the mini Amazon of India. So we understood, guys. So where the Bhitarkanika is located? It is located at Kendrapada. Okay. Why it is known for? It is known for mangrove. It is known for its floral diversity. It is known for congregations of huge crocodiles. Okay. Clear? And mangroves now. Mangrove is one of the things. Mangrove is very important. Okay. During the time of Phylline, in fact 1999 cyclone where the huge damages were occurred in Odisha, but those places where the mangrove forest were there, the intensity of damages it were less. Okay, guys. But that is, and why so? Because of mangrove forest. So it is very important to conserve the mangrove and provides such a good environment to what? To promote mangrove, right? Okay. And one thing need to be known. Okay, mangrove forest, where it is mainly found, it is found at the area where the both saline water and the fresh water they meet together. And here mainly the roots of the mangrove forest की बाहर के बाहर रहते से, तार चेर माने भी बाहर के बाहर रहते से. Okay, clear? And Bhitarkanika it provides a safe habitat to the around more than 55 varieties of mangrove in our country. More than 215 species of birds are flocked towards the Bhitarkanika. And the birds, mainly during the time of winter seasons, they flock from the various parts of the world. Okay. So this is the thing, guys. So we understood clearly about the Which one? भितरकनिका बुझला में कोस्ट लाइन टा सालना पोर्ट तापर देखला केन केनटा धामरा एट भद्रक देन पारादीप एट जगतसिंहपुर एंड गोपालपुर एट गंजाम एते सरला तार पर हमें काना देखला कि केंद्रापड़ा रे गहिर मठ सी बीच आउ केनटा भितरकनिका लेट कम इनटू द अनदर वन let me tell you few things about the Lake of Odisha. Rather, lake is also one kind of wetland, as I already told about the wetland. Okay, Chilika Lake. What is that? It is Chilika Lake. Chilika Lake, where it is located? It is located or it is widespread in three major districts of Odisha: Puri, Khorda and Ganjam. Where it is located? Puri, Khorda and Ganjam. Noted guys. Okay. Chilika Lake, it is the first Ramsar site in India. I already told na Ramsar site, and it is the first Ramsar site in India. Okay. In fact, it is the largest brackish water lagoon in the Asia. Okay, it is the largest brackish water lagoon or brackish water lake in Asia. Chilika Lake. Here the number of islands are also there. कहाँ island होचे ना मैंने सुनो वाला तो बहुत मजा लावा भोग लागवा ब्रेकफास्ट आइलैंड काना कहता नोटेड कमेंट जानी थी वो ओडिया साहित्य रे भी पढ़ी थी मैंने काना मजेदार टा मन अच्छे पूरा भोग लागला ना ब्रेकफास्ट आइलैंड इज वन ऑफ देम नलबण इज अनदर कालीजाई रे संध्या कालीजाई आइलैंड इज अनदर ओके तो ब्रेकफास्ट आइलैंड नलबण कालीजाई इनफैक्ट अनदर वन इज दैट ओके ओके कहूँ यार तमें कहबा बोली पचराली ना कह that काना ब्रेकफास्ट आइलैंड then Kalijai Island, Nolabana Island, in fact Honeymoon Island is also another of them. And in Chilika, the Nolabana Island, okay, the Nolabana Island of Chilika Lake, it is declared as an in fact bird sanctuary in Odisha. Which one? Bird sanctuary under the Wildlife Protection Act, right? Which island? Nolabana Island. Okay. And Chilika Lake, what we understood, right? It's the first Ramsar site. Where it is located, we understood. And it is mainly known for migratory birds. Large number of migratory birds, they flock towards the Chilika from even Caspian Sea, Lake Baikal, from Russia. Hete diru inke asuchan. Why so? Because it provides a huge habitat to the clear. So we understood. Next. After Chilika, another lake named as Onsupa. Where it is located? It located in the Banki district of Cuttack. Okay. And when I discuss about the island Koilina, there are large number of also islands are there. One of them we know that APJ Abdul Kalam Island. In the year 2015, it is renamed as APJ Abdul Kalam Island. Earlier it was called as Wheeler Island. In order to respect, in order to recognize the role of our former presidents or the people's president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the government of Odisha declared it as an APJ Abdul Kalam Island. And where large number of ballistic missiles were launched and tested, for example, Akash, Agni, Prithvi, etc. Bonnet time okay. So we understood, guys, it is located at, in fact, near the Bhadrak district. APJ Abdul Kalam Island located in which districts? Chandiwali. नहीं Chandipur पाखे है, Chandivali नहीं. ଚାନ୍ଦିପୁର ପାଖେ ଓକେ ଭଦ୍ରକରୁ actually APJ Abdul Kalam Island, it is located in which district? It is located in Bhadrak, but it is nearer to in fact Baleshwar, so don't get confused. बुझिगला हमें ते another islands are there also, one of the riverine island, comment it बहुत रे उठे riverine island अच्छे काना okay, so you understood. Next କାଣା ପଡଲା ଭିତରକନିକା ଗହିରମଠ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଓଲିଭ ସିରିଲି ଟର୍ଟଲ୍ସ କାଣା vulnerable ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଜାନଲା सी बीच पूरी सी बीच तो जानी जा लेट टेक कन्फाइन हुआ नेक्स्ट another wildlife of Odisha, that is simile fall, that is very very important. Simile fall, actually why it is known as simile fall? Because of tree, because of simul trees, because of which trees? Simul. Because of simul trees, it is known as simile fall. And where it is located? It is located at Mayurbhanj. And here which river is there? Budhavalanga. In fact, in simile fall, large number of both major and minor rivers are there. More than 20 minor rivers are there, and Budhavalanga is the major of them. In fact, here the number of waterfalls are there, and the highest waterfall of Odisha, that is Borhei Pani. What is that, guys? Borhei Pani. Borhei Pani waterfall, it is located at Simile Fall, which at the height of around 400 to 500 meter above the sea level. Clear? And Simile Fall, let me tell you in detail on the Simile Fall. It is located at Mayurbhanj in the northern part of Odisha. Okay. It was the first in the year 1973. The government of India recognized the importance of tiger, and the project Tiger was launched. And similarly, and on that around 8 number of sites or tiger reserves were declared in India, and Similipal is one of them. So Similipal was the one of the first site which was declared as an tiger reserves in the first time. Okay, in the year 1973. Similipal, so it's an tiger reserve, right? Further, the government of Odisha declared around more than 2000 square kilometer of Similipal as an wildlife sanctuary. Further, in the year 1980, Government of India declared it as an national park. Further, the area of Similipal as a national park have widened in the year 1986. So Similipal is not only a tiger reserve but also a wildlife sanctuary, national park. In fact, it is the only biosphere reserves of our state. Okay, केतरा national park ओडिशा रो छे? Total number of national park how many? Comment it. केतरा? Just how many national parks are there? Comment it. अरे लिखो जल्दी. दुईटा. Very good, very good. What are these? केतेटा? Very good. Yes, there are only two national parks. That is, one is the Similipal and another one is the Bhitarkanika. But in the case of biosphere reserves, Similipal is the one and only biosphere reserves of our state. Okay. Another biosphere reserves has also been proposed. but so far it has not been accepted, right? And what is that? That one is the Mahendragiri. Okay. तो बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स गुटे ना ओडिशा रे अच्छे केनटा सेटा Similipal. Okay. So Similipal, it is known for tiger reserves, wildlife sanctuary, national park, biosphere reserve, all right. Very good. Very good both. So clear हमें क्या अच्छे जानला काना. And in fact, as I told that it provides huge habitat to the tigers, around 75% of tiger populations of Odisha found in only Similipal. 25% of elephant found in only Similipal. Okay guys, बुझला बोल से. Apart from tigers and elephant, other huge flora and fauna found over there. Clear? तो हमें जानना कैंडा Similipal we understood clearly. Next one. Okay. So when we, as I told about the wildlife of Odisha, the national park दुईटा, biosphere reserves केतेटा गुटे ना, और बहुत सारा wildlife sanctuaries अच्छे, around 19 number of wildlife sanctuaries are there. Okay, and there is only one marine sanctuary that I told, but सेटा marine sanctuary बोली नहीं कही था केंडा गहिरमठ. गहिरमठ at Kendrapada is the only one marine sanctuary of our state. Okay, Kenda Gahirmatha, located at Kendrapada. Okay, guys, and there are large number of other wildlife sanctuary like Chandaka, etc. And under Project Tiger, there are three measures. One is the Similipal, another one is the, what is that? Del? How can Kenda Project Tiger jaiche? Satakosia, Satakosia Gorge, where it is located? Anugul. How gute? How gute kenne ache kaha? Sunaveda. That has been proposed. Huh? So there are, in this way, there are three major tiger reserves in our state. One is the Similipal, Satkosia, how Sunaveda. Clear? Bujhila mete? Next. The coastline salla. Wildlife also we understood. Wildlife, another one, एक सिचुरा पढ़वा let Nandankanan. Nandankanan माने कान. It is also called as the Garden of Heaven or Garden of Gods. It is located at Khurda district or around 18 kilometer away from Bhubaneswar. And Nandankanan is very unique as compared to any other. It is unique as compared to any other zoological parks in the country. First, it is located at Khurda, as I said, although it's a zoological park, but it provides an habitat like naturally, because it is located at the some part of Chandaka forest. Okay, and it is known for breeding of crocodile, gharial crocodile. It is known for, yes, Kanan means garden. Okay, it is known for gharial breeding of, a successful breeding of crocodile, white tiger, crocodile, white tiger, pangolin, etc. Okay, and that is the reason. It is also called as it provides white tiger safari and damakocha. Okay. In fact, apart from all these, large number of other species are found in Nandankanan. Okay. In Nandankanan, Crocodile gala, white tiger, pangolin, etc. We understood. Clear? Next one. Nandankanan is the only one zoo. It is the only zoo which is a part of Vaja. Okay, it means the World Associations of Zoo and Aquarium. It is the only zoo. It's the World Associations of Zoo and Aquarium. Clear? Okay, इटा गुटे न जू जेनटा कि केंथरे वर्ल्ड माने जेनता कि सबुथर गुटे गुटे एसोसिएशन थेसे माने एसोसिएशन थेसी ने करा भी हेइछे बहुत सारा कंट्री मान कर जेनता यूनाइटेड नेशंस हेन त जू मान कर जेनता वर्ल्ड एसोसिएशंस ऑफ जू एंड एक्वेरियम अच्छे सेथरे खाली नंदनकानन गुटे न और सक्सेसफुल ब्रीडिंग केंथि लागी ई तीनटा मेजर जिनिस कहले okay and another one is also there another lake is also there here named as Kanjia Lake. What is that? Kanjia Lake. Out gote भी lake अच्छे इटा ना Koreikani Lake. Okay, but Kanjia Lake is well known. Clear? Kanjia Lake is very well known. Okay, guys. तो बुझला हमें. So in this way, what we understood so far the wildlife of Odisha. Okay, and I have not discussed me सब wildlife sanctuary discuss नहीं करी in detail. Mainly the national park दुईटा हमें discuss कला. In fact biosphere reserves भी अतरे. Marine sanctuary जेंटा गहिर मठ आउ गोटे lake हमें discuss कला. आउ तमें जेन अलगाटा माने अच्छे wildlife sanctuary से सबुटा केन थाना केन district रे अच्छे टी देखी दबो भल से हैला clear आउ काना यदि डाउट अच्छे पचरो यदि किसी डाउट अच्छे आस्क मी गाइस कमेंट मैंने मुझे देखुचे पचर यदि किसी भी डाउट अच्छे एते तक पढ़वार भितर हैला काना पचर अरे बाबा पचर मुई बाघ नुहे से व्हाइट टाइगर नुहे से मुई ये खाई जेमी जस्ट आस्क मी व्हाट द डाउट्स इज देयर एनी डाउट वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग विश्वजीत लेट रे जॉइन कला चलवा लेट देर नहीं तो दुरुस्त है भाई चलवा किसी नहीं सर माउंटेन और टिके कहीदेमी तार पर कहीदेमी व्यस्त नहीं बाय द वे टाइम देखो 9:09 वाओ व्हाट एन मिराकल गाइस आउ काना पचरो किसी भी डाउट अच्छे पचरो जिते हमें पढ़ला कोस्टल प्लेन रो तापर सी बीच रो आउ जहाँ भी पढ़ना किसी डाउट अच्छे आस्क किसी नहीं ओके ओके तापर मुझे क्वेश्चन पचरा में ओडिशा रे केतरा बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व अच्छे कहना पिले केतरा वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज रे विषय हाँ वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट भी कहीदेमी जितला आर्ट एंड कल्चर पढ़ामी मेनली वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट विषय भल से कहीदेमी मेनली कोणार्क ओके आउ वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट एक्चुअली मेनली जिते भी पुराणाटा मेनली वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट के तीन भाग रे गोटे कल्चराली गोटे जियोग्राफिकली गोटे मिक्स साइट रे क्लासिफाई करा हेतिसी आउ इंडिया रे गुटे न मिक्स साइट अच्छे जेनटा कि केंडा इंडिया रो हाईएस्ट पीक विषय कहे से इंडिया रो हाईएस्ट हिमालयन पीक कहे से कांचनजंगा ओके आउ ओडिशा रो कोणार्क कृति काना 7 लिखलो जानने पहले में ओके ठीक अच्छे माउंटेन कहीदे है ओडिशा रे आम जानी चाहिए माउंटेन्स पढ़ुच टे माउंटेन रेंजेस पढ़े टिके कहीदे रेंज माने कण गोटे चेन ऑफ माउंटेन्स ना चेन ऑफ माउंटेन की रेंज कहे ना तो इंडिया रा बहुत सारा माउंटेन रेंजेस अच्छे हिमालयन माउंटेन रेंजेस तो जानी वेल नोन इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड लॉफ्टीएस्ट पीक इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड तार स्प्रेड मोर देन 2400 तारपरे काराकोरम साइट रे अच्छे तारपरे आमे जदी से इंडियन मैपटा ओडिशा रे माउंटेन रेंज माने अच्छे केनडा इटा गोटे हिमालय माउंटेन रेंज काराकोरम माउंटेन रेंज ओके दुटा मेजर तारपर आम आसमा इनफैक्ट हियर ईस्टर्न घाट a hilly range is there western घाट a hilly range is there and Odisha is located in the eastern घाट 7 biosphere reserves na re baba there is only one biosphere reserve who said 7 there is only one biosphere reserve in Odisha named as Similipal and another one has proposed but the government of India has not been accepted okay बोधे गुलाब फूल गुटे दिया एक्सेप्ट नहीं करवा बनेटा देवा के पड़ो ना Mahendragiri so there is only one biosphere reserve clear and the another one is going to be जदि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्सेप्ट कर दवा ताहले महेंद्रगिरी के सेकेंड बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स कहा जीवा फाइन ठीक अच्छे सो ओनली वन करेक्ट इट डाउन ओनली वन बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स बुझला हमें माउंटेन रेंज एंड ओडिशा लाइज इन द व्हिच माउंटेन ईस्टर्न घाट माउंटेन रेंजेस केना अच्छे ईस्टर्न घाट माउंटेन रेंज अच्छे ओके and in Odisha the highest peak that is at Devamali. What is that? Devamali. Devamali located at Koraput district. Okay. आम जो ओडिशा के क्लासीफाई करमा वन ऑफ द कैटेगरी हला गोटे नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ ओडिशा मेनली द माइनिंग एरिया इज देयर ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ coal iron ore bauxite is found at the northern part in the south this one is the coastal area and this one is the mountainous regions mainly the eastern ghat and in Koraput the highest peak of Odisha is located named as Devamali where in Koraput and what is its height the altitude of the mountains of Odisha mainly ranges around 600 to around more than 1 kilometer guys okay 600 to 1 kilometer guys and the height of Devamali it is 1672 meter okay 1672 meters and Devamali it provides a huge habitat to both flora and fauna बुझला में थे ठीक से Devamali after Devamali the second highest peak of Odisha named as I told Mahendragiri and that is located at Gajapati district in which district that is located at Gajapati district and the height is 1501 meter okay apart from that the Gandhamadar track is there located between the Balangir and Bargarh in Bargarh the northern part Nrsimhanath temple is there in Balangir Harishankar temple is there so you understood guys clear बुझिएगा बोल से केनकेनटा Devamali then Devamali then Mahendragiri then which one Gandhamadar trek in fact Niyamgiri is another near that Kalahandi Okay, that is known for bauxite reserves. Large number of people were protested over there, na, in order to, because private parties they wanted to exploit that, and that will adversely affect to the poor people, citizens. Okay, and these are the certain important mountain peaks. Which one? Devmali, Mahendragiri, and mainly the Gandhavardha trek. And apart from the other Dhauli, ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛେ ବୁଦ୍ଧିଷ୍ଟ ସାଇଟ୍ ଯେନ୍ଟା ପିସ୍ ପଗୋଡ଼ା ବି କୁହାଯାଏସି। ଓକେ, ଆଉ ଏଇଟା କିଏ ଏଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶ କରିଥିଲେ? ଜାପାନିଜର ବୁଦ୍ଧିଷ୍ଟ ମାନବ ସଂଗଠନ ଆଉ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ମିଶିକରି ହେଲା। So we understood in details about the wildlife and mountains of Odisha. Okay, ଆମେ next class देखमा फिर ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ତ ଅଲମୋଷ୍ଟ ସରିଗଲା। ରିଭର୍ସ ବି ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିଛା। ଚାଲ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନଟେ ରିଭର୍ସ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ପଢ଼େଇଥିଲି, ଲାର୍ଜେଷ୍ଟ river basin of Odisha Kenta. Which one is the largest river basins of Odisha? Which one is the largest river basins of Odisha? Tell first. कह पिले देखु तुम कमेंट में। Largest river basins of Odisha Kenta. ब्राह्मणी ना, ब्राह्मणी नुहे से Mahanadi is the largest river basins in India. Sorry, in Odisha, Mahanadi. After that, Brahmani. Although इतर लेंथ टिके अधिका महानदी नु more than 540 किलोमीटर in Odisha, इतरटा around 499 किलोमीटर, किंतु यदि कैचमेंट बेसिन रे देखमा ताहले महानदी अधिका गोटे रिवर एंता फ्लो करजे इता टोटल कैचमेंट बेसिन एते हला धरिन ब्राह्मणी रे एते फ्लो हला तार कैचमेंट बेसिन एते कम होछ, तार माने इतर कैचमेंट बेसिन अधिका আছে कहार महानदी। ओके, सो महानदी it is the largest river basins of Odisha, followed by which one? Brahmani. Okay, clear? Next आम देखमा रिवर सिस्टम इन इंडिया भी पढ़मा, रिवर सिस्टम इन ओडिशा भी पढ़मा। रिवर सिस्टम इन ओडिशा विषय तो मुझे ऑलमोस्ट कही दीचे, लैंड ऑफ 6 डेल्टा भी कहे केन केनटा जेनटा कि सुवर्णरेखा रु ऋषिकुल्या, सुवर्णरेखा, बुढ़ाबलंग, बैतरणी, ब्राह्मणी, महानदी एंड ऋषिकुल्या। In fact, clear? So this is all about, guys. Okay, for next class we will read तुम जहाँ जेना डाउट हवा ask me. Next class fair भल से पढ़मा केनटा we will read some other part. Okay, mainly the India रो देखमा, but as you the peoples you wanted to know about the constitutions or economics, जेनटा हले on your demands we are going to start. Okay, have a great day, guys. Be happy, healthy, and have a great and enjoy your day, dears, guys. Okay, ठीक है। पानी फानी सफिशिएंट पिउथिबो खरा मास हैला, ठीक रहिली।